Hi guys, let me quickly share you a quick update in Google Search Console. Now you can add your Instagram, TikTok, X or YouTube platform and verify that in Google Search Console. So if you are getting traffic from Google to your YouTube channel, then you can directly link your YouTube channel here and you can check how much traffic you are getting from Google to your YouTube channel, or similarly you can track your social media profiles as well. You can add your Instagram profile or X profile and check how many traffic you are getting from Google to your X account or to your tweets or to your Instagram videos post. So to verify it, you need to click on here and click on add property. Now you need to select the platform that you want to add. So let me add X here. Now you need to click on agree and continue and make sure that you already logged into the account in the same browser, and after that you need to authorize the app, and as you can see the property is now added to Google Search Console. So let me click on go to property. Now it will take around 48 hours to display the data here. Similarly, you can verify your Instagram account, TikTok account, YouTube account on your Google Search Console platform and check how much traffic you are getting from Google to your social media platforms. So let me know if you are using this feature in Google Search Console or not, and if you face any issue, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.